In today's behind the scenes video, let me show you how the ticking sound is made in my Audible FlipaClip animation, the clock. For the ticking sound, I use my Apple Pencil to lightly tap one of the piano keys on my electronic keyboard. By using Adobe Premiere, I cut the silent parts of the audio clip to mimic the ticking sound, because if I were to leave the silent parts uncut, it'll ruin the illusion of the ticking sound. Finally, I add the finishing touches by increasing the volume to 145% to ensure that the audio clip is audible. Here are the before and after clips to this 5-second animation. Before I end this video, let me show you what the ticking sound effect sounds like in the animation. If you want to watch my 5-second animation of a clock, check it out in the link below. Subscribe to not miss part 4 next week.